Hello and welcome to our overview of choosing a CMMS program. CMMS solutions are one of the most powerful tools a maintenance team can have at its disposal. In this video, we will share a 4-step process that will help you choose the right one for your organization, as well as other key considerations in the software selection process. When choosing a software solution, the first step is to form a CMMS selection team. This will be a group of internal stakeholders and subject matter experts who represent different departments and needs. When forming this group, you may want to include maintenance managers, maintenance technicians, operations leaders, and information technology personnel. Now, this collaborative approach will ensure your final solution meets the needs of all impacted areas of your business. Once your team has been formed and roles and responsibilities have been assigned, the second step is to conduct a needs assessment. Identifying the specific problems you need the software to solve will focus your selection process and simplify conversations with vendors. A few key questions you may want to ask yourself in this step include, what is the primary need we will use the CMMS to address? Do you want cloud-based or on-premises implementation? Will my team use a CMMS on their mobile devices? Does the CMMS support languages that we need? Which maintenance strategy will my organization run? What is our budget? The more specific and clearly prioritize your needs assessment is, the better it's going to turn out. Step 3 is to begin researching CMMS options to find those that will align well with your needs. Google searches, review sites, and professional networks can be a great place to begin. In this step, you will evaluate the solutions to find a few that appear to meet your needs the very best. In addition, there are some key considerations that you should always evaluate for any software, regardless of its use or purpose. They are usability, to ensure the software is easy to learn and use on a daily basis. Customizability, so form fields and workflows can be built around your business needs. Implementation, for a smooth and complete setup process. Customer support, for those moments when you really need your vendor's help. Security, to keep your company's data safe and secure. Scalability, so the system can grow and evolve along with your organization. Pricing, to ensure that the system fits within your budget and provides a return. Core functions and features to enable your team in their wide-ranging responsibilities. Now, after all this research and consideration, you should have a small group of 3 to 4 solutions that closely match your criteria. So step 4 is to test the finalists. Most CMMS vendors offer trials that last from 2 to 4 weeks. So engage your team in trying out each of these finalists in real-life situations. Measure how long it takes to perform routine tasks like approving work requests, scheduling PMs, or adding assets to the system. After completing the 4-step process above and thinking through all the key considerations, it's likely you have a standout winner. If not, work with your task force to rate your options and determine the best solution. Soon, you'll be experiencing all the benefits of better maintenance management with a CMMS. Thanks for watching, and visit limblecmms.com to learn more.